Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes with chapter 9, part 2. This video session we will discuss about the proportion, percentage, and loss profits. Then today's topic is what? Proportion. Today we discuss proportion. Proportion means what? When two ratios are equal. Proportion means what? When two ratios are equal, then their term sides be what? Proportion. Okay? When two ratio. That means we can say that when two ratio already know what the ratio are equal. See when two ratio are equal. Okay? When two ratio are equal, then their terms are set. Then their terms are set proportion. What is proportion? Proportion means what? If two ratio are same, then their terms are called proportion. That means we can write that what? A is to B equal to B is to A is to B equal to C is to D. That means we write the or A is to B proportion C is to D. We can write like this. Right? It is the sign. It is the sign of proportions. And we can write what? A is to B proportion C is to D. That means A is to B equal to C is to D. Now we take an example and check. Then have the question. For A is to B, C is to D, then AD equal to what? Where we write here what? That means here this. Okay, AD equal to BC. Then AD is known as what? Extreme. Extreme. Why extreme? Because the outside. That's why extreme. Okay. Extremes. These are what called extremes. And B and C is means. B is C and means. Then when we multiply, we can say that AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. When AD equal to BC, then they are called what? Proportion. Then they are called when AD equal to BC, then they are called proportions. A is to B equal to C is to D. Then A and D are known as extremes, and B and C are known as means. Okay. What are extreme and what are means? Clear about it? Means extremes. Okay. Now we check the examples. Let the second term. That means what? How many proportions we can check? The given are proportion or not. Example. Suppose 2 is to 4 proportion 3 is to 6. Is 3 is to 2 or 4 is to 6 proportion or not? How can we know? Product of extremes. That means what? The product of extremes. That means what? The product of extreme. The product of extreme equal product of means. Product of means. Product of extremes and product of means. That means what are the product of extremes? Product of extremes and means. Then 2 into 6 equal to 4 into 3. 12 equal to 12. That means both ratio of what comes as equal. That's why 2 is to 3. Sorry, 2 is to 4 proportion 3 is to 6. That means 2 is to 3, 2 is to 4 and 2 is to are the what? Proportion. Clear about it? What is proportion? Proportion means what? When they are product of extreme and mean are equals, or what? A is to B proportion C is to D. You can tell an example, that is AD equal to BC proportion. Okay. Now we find, how can we find proportion? Let the second term. Okay. Question is there, find the proper proportions. Okay. Now see. If we take an example of proportion, we can verify also the given number proportion or not. Okay. How can we know the two numbers are proportion or not? Let us see examples. We will find out the ratio. Then proportions means what? When there two are what equals. Then see examples. Okay, check it is proportion or not. Check 3:9 and 4:6 is proportion or not. That means what? Here we can check it. Then 3:9 and 4:6 is a proportion or not. Then how can we check? We know that what solution. We know that what 3:9 proportion 4:6. Then what is formula is there? Product of extreme equal to product of mean. We know that what are the mean and what are the extreme. Means 9 into 4 means 14. Then what? 3 into 6 equal to 9 into 4. 3 6 are 18. 9 to 4 are 36. Here see not equal. So it is not a proportion. How can you know the given ratio are proportion or not? You know using this process. Product of means and product of extremes. When you find their products and if their products are same, then the given ratio are proportion. If their product is different, then given ratio is not a what? Proportion. Clear about it? What is proportions? Now we discuss about the what? Proportionals. Then we can take an example. How can you find if two terms is given? Then how can you find the another term? Okay, one or two terms is given. Then how can you find the proportion of third terms or fourth term? Three terms is given. Then four terms. How can we find? Okay, see if examples one. What is examples one? Is the first, third, and fourth terms of the first, third, and fourth term. Fourth term, that means first term, second term, and fourth term of a proportion. Okay. First term, second term, third term of a proportions are suppose given what 12, 8, and 14. 12, 8 and 14. Okay, 12, 8 and 14. Then let's find the second term. That means find the second term. How can we find the second term? See, we take a solution. First we let second term is x. Okay, then now we know that first term, second term, third term here given. Then first is what? 12. Then we write 12 is to x proportion. Third term and fourth term. Third term is what? 8 and what? 14 is to 14. We know that product of means and product of extremes. Then we write that what product of extreme equal to 12 into 14 is there. Now equal to x into mean of course x into 8. Right here x into 8 is there. Now here multiply is there. You can divide it. Then we can write easily what x equal to 12 into 14 by 8 is there. 8. Okay. Now the number is divisible by what? 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 8, 2 7 are 15, 7 3 are 21. Then x equal to what? 21. So thus second term is what? Second term is 21. Clear? How can you find the terms? Clear about the proportions? Now we discuss about the meaning of percentage. What is percentage? Percentage means what? Percentage word is derived from the Latin word percentum. Percentum means out of hundreds. That means out of hundreds. We can consider the what? Now we discuss about the percentage. What is percentage? See, percentage. Now we discuss percentage. Percentage means what? Percentage word is derived from percentum. Percentum means what? Out of 100. Then we can write here what? 1%. 1% means what? 1 by 100. That means out 100 above 1. 100 out of 1. Okay. It is percentage. Now we can also take given many examples like right here 5%. 5% means what? 5 by 100. And it is the sign of percentage. 5% means 5 by 5% means 5 by 100. Okay. 5% means 5 by 100. Okay. Now 1% is written as what? 1 by 100. 5% is written as 5 by 100. Now we can write as what? 80 by 100. 80 by 100 is we can write it what? 80%. Okay, it is generated the percent. 7 by percent 100 we can else write it what? 7%. Clear? How can we write a percentage into using this one? And also we can find the percentage. 9 by suppose here percentage means what? 100, then 80%. That means 80 by 100. Clear about it? How can we write as a 30% or 30% equal to what? 30 by 100 or 30 by 100 equal to 30%. And suppose you want to find the find 5% of 60. Then how can you 5% of 60? See, find 5% of 60. That means 5 by 100. What means into 60 0. Okay. Now 5 6 are what? 30 is there. 30 by 10. 0 cancel. Then 3. 5% of 60 is what? 3. Now we discuss about the conversion of what? Percentage. Conversion of fraction. There are many rules. How we can conversion the percentage. Okay. See, conversion of percentage. Conversion of percentage. Okay. Conversion of percent means what? How can we convert percent into fractions, fraction into percentage or decimals? Okay. First what? Conversion of percentage. Then first we learn percent into fraction. First percent. That means we write here percent into fraction. First conversion is what? Percent into fraction. That means what? Suppose 5%. 5% example. 5%. That means we write here 5 by 100. Then we reduce it. 5 to the 5. 5 to the 10 20. 1 by 20. Suppose here 28%. 28% is there. That means 28 by 100. Okay. 2 to 14. 15. Again 2 divided by 7, 25. What is 7 by 25? You can convert using what? The process. 28%, that means 28 by 100 and reduce it as right from the fraction. That is change into the fractions. Clear? How can you convert percent into fraction? Now secondly, fraction into percentage. How can you convert fraction into percentage? Okay. Fraction into percent. Fraction into percent. How can we change fraction into percent? Suppose here 5 by 6. Example was 5 by 6. Then what? Percent means what? Into 100. Percent means into 100. That's why 5 by 6 into 100. 5 by 6 into 100. Then how can you find answer? 5 by 6 into 100 percent. Percent means this one. Okay, then it will be reduced. It should be reduced. Then what? 50 and 3. That means 5 times 25, 150 by 3 equal to 3 is 24, 1, 3 is 9, 1 by 3%. And what is percent? If we convert the fraction 5 by 6 is converted into 83 whole 1 by what? 1 by 3%. Now we will take another example. Let's take what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is a fraction. Okay. 1 by 4 is a fraction, so 1 by 4 into 100 equal to what? Let's reduce 25 into 1 equal to 25%. You learn it. How can we convert? When we convert percentage into fractions, then 100 is divided by the given number. When we convert fraction into percentage, then 100 is multiplied with the fraction. Okay, when percentage is divided to convert into fractions, then what divides, and when fraction is converted to percent, then one multiply by 100. Clear about it? How can you convert percentage and fractions? Okay, now another we can convert decimal into fraction. Okay, decimal into fraction. See here, next conversion is what? Decimal into fraction. Next we convert decimal into fraction. Decimal into fraction. Sorry, decimal into percent. How can we convert decimal into a percent? See now, an example. Now we learn decimal into percent. How can you convert decimal into percent? 0.6. How can you convert? Example. 0.6. When we want to convert into decimal into percentage, that means what? Always multiply what? 100. Always equal to what? 0.6 into 100%. 100% means what? 100 by 100. That means 100 is there. Then when we multiply and what? If we multiply, that means what? 0.6 when change into the fraction, 6 by 10 into 100. Then 0 is 60. What? 60. Then what is the percentage? The percentage there 60%. Also very easy process. When we convert decimal into percentage, then multiply 100. That will 1.5. 1.5. Then 1.5 is direct. Multiply 100 and multiply. See here. After decimal, how many numbers is there? One number. Then one number. One number. Two number. Then it is 100. What? 150%. 150%. Okay, how can you convert it to percent? 150%. If 1.1 is there, then 1.1 into 100 equal to 110%. Okay, if when we convert decimal into percent, then we multiply what? 100. Now we percent into decimal. How can we convert percent into decimal? Okay, percent into decimal means what? Next is what? Number 4 is percent into decimal. Percent into decimal. Percent into decimals. See, if the question is what here, any examples we take, like for the word we take 9%. Percent into decimal. Okay, then example. Suppose we here 5%. 5%. We know that 5% equal to what? 5 by 100, so we convert 0 instead of 5, 0 instead of 0, 1 instead of 1, 1 instead of 0.5. Percent into decimal is what? 0.05. Okay, when example say 50%. That means what? 50 by 100, that's 202 numbers, so directly write 0.15. Okay, how can you convert percent? Clear? Percentage into decimal, another number is 166%. That means 166 by 100. 100 means what? 100 smallest number 20. Then in right 20 is there. 1.66. Okay. 1.66. When we convert into decimal, percentage to decimal, then 1.6. How can we convert? 5% means 5 by 100. So when we divided 500 by 100, then 0.05. Okay, 15% is 0.15. 160% is 1.66. Clear? How can we convert what? Percentage into fractions, then fraction into percentage, decimal into fraction, sorry, decimal into percent, and percent into decimal. Clear? We learn here 4 type of conversions about the what? Decimals. Now we take another conversion for the 5 numbers conversion. How we convert definitely. A number increasing. Suppose we have question. What is question is there? Question is there. Now we can what? Take a convert percentage into ratio. How can we convert percentage into ratio? See. Now percent increase. I know by what? Percent into ratio. Okay. Percent into ratio. Okay, like percent into ratio. See. Here what? 25% is there. We know that examples 25%. 25% means what? 25 by 100. 25% means what? 25 by 100. Then ratio when we reduce it. 25 on the 25, 25 for the 4. 1 by 4 equal to 1:4. Then when we convert 25% into ratio, then our answer is what? 1:4. If I take another examples, okay, 120%. 120% means what? 120 by 100 is there, and it should be reduced to 6 the 2 5 the 6 by 5 is there, that's 6:5. Okay, 6:5. When we convert 120% into ratio, then the ratio is 6:5. Clear? How can we convert the percentage into ratio? Okay, now we convert just opposite, ratio into percentage. Ratio into percentage. Now this is what? 6 but is percent into ratio. So ratio into percentage. Ratio into percent. Ratio into percent. Next, take an examples. We know that what? Suppose we take examples 2:4. 2:4. What is question here? Ratio into percent. Ratio into percent. 2:4 is there. So 2:4 equal to 2 by 4. Percent means what? Into 100. Percent means what? Into 100. Then 25. 50%. What here? 50%. We can find it what? 50%. Okay, 50% is there. Yes or no? Now we can easily find the answer. Okay, we learn what percentage of conversions. Now we learn the uses of percentage. Uses of percentage. Uses of percentage. How can we use your percentage? Percentage is used in our day-to-day life. How percentage is used? When we go outside on market and shopping malls or shops, then we see a board 10% discount, 15% discount. That percent, how can you use and find the what is the percentage? If the seller or shopkeeper they give us proper or not, if you know the percentage, then easily you can find the percentage means what? Out of 100. Then now we learn the uses of percentage. First is what? First example 1. So we take a questions like 15% of 250. 15% of 250. That means you see in a board in front of shops and malls, what's 10% discount, 50% discount. That means that is the percentage. If you know the uses of percentage, then easily you can got that amount. Okay, then 15% of 250. And how do we find 15% of 250? Let solution. 15% of 15% means what? 15 by 100. Of means multiplications 250. Okay. Now here 0 cancelled. 5 to the 10. 5 5 the 25. See, 0 cancelled. 5 to the 10. 5 5 the what? 25. Now 15 into 5 by 2 equal to 75. 15 5 is 75. 75 by 2. 75 by 2 is there. Then when we what? Find 2, that means 2 3 is 6. 1 2 7 15. 1 by 2. Then what is 15% of 250 is how much? Hence 15% 15% of 215 is 37 whole 1 by 2 or 37.5. We can write that one 37 whole 1 by 2 or 37.5. Okay. Now we find another example for example 2. Okay. Same type of we take examples. Suppose 20% of 2500. 20% of rupees 2500. 2500. 20% of rupees 2500. Now what is solution is here? We know that 20% means 2500. Okay. Of means into 2500. Multiply 2500. 0 cancel. 0 cancel. Now 25 into 20 equal to 25 to the that means what 20% of 2500 is what 25% of 2000 is what 500. Then answer is 500. Now we take another amount like 75% of 1 kg. So example like 3. 75% of 1 kg. 75% of 1 kg. You know 1 kg means what? 1000 gram. And first we change into the right here. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg equal to what? 1000 gram. So 75%. That means what? 75% means 75 by 100 into 1000. 1 0 cancel, 2 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel, 2 0 cancel. 2 0 cancel. Now 75 into 10 equal to 750 gram. And what is 75% of 1000? 1 kg is what? 750 gram. Clear? How can we find? Use the percentage in kg, in gram, in rupees. Now we will take another example. Okay? How can we find? Express the number quantity as a percentage of another. Okay? Now we can find the what? A quantity is a percentage of another. So that means how can you find a quantity of a percentage? Let's say what percent of 50 is 20. That means we don't know the quantity. What is the quantity? Then we got the what percentage. Then we can let what? Then what is the solution here? Let x percent of 50 is 20. We can find the what quantities. Then we can what? Let x percent of 50. X percent of 50 is 20. That means what? X percent is what? 500. Of means what? 50 is equal to 20. Here 0. Answer is 0. Now here 5 to the 10. X by 2 equal to 20. X equal to 2 into 20. X equal to 2. Then what is question here? 1% of what? 1% of 50 is 20. That means 40 is the answer. 40% of what? 50 is 20. Is it correct or not? We can verify also. What? That x equal to 40 you got that? That means what? 40% of 50 is 20. Is it correct or not? We verify it now. 40 is what? 40 by 100 into 50 is there equal to 20. Here 50 to the 100 to 20 equal to 20 equal to 20. It is what? Verified. Okay, verified. That means what? 40. What is the number is what? That quantity we don't know. Which quantity we don't know? That's why we take x. That means x. That means unknown number. We don't know the quantity. Then we can easily find what percent of 50 is 20. That means x percent of 50. That is the value quantity is what? 40. We will take another example. That means 1 hour is what? That means we can take an example for this one. If 1 hour is what? 12 minutes. 1 hour is 12 minutes. Is 12 minutes. Then we don't know what is the percentage. Then what is the percentage of 1 hour is 12 minutes. 1 hour is 12 minutes. Then let x percent of 1 hour. X percent of 1 hour. 1 hour means you know what? 60 minutes. Then we convert. It is examples. Okay. And we know that what? 1 hour equal to what? 60 minutes. Why we convert into minutes? Because here what? unit in minute, then we can change it to same units. If we change their unit in same, then we can easily find the answer. Show that solution. Okay, let x% of 60 minute is 12 minute. So x by 100 into 60 equal to 12, 0, 0. Okay, now 2 3s are 2 5s are. That means multiply 3x. So 3x by 5 equal to 12. 3x by 5 equal to 12. Now 5 is multiplied with 3x equal to 6. 12 5 into 12. X equal to 5 into 12 by 3 equal to 3 4 is what? 12. 5 4 is 20. Okay. Then okay. What is 20 is the number. Then 20% of 60 minute is 12. 20%. That means what? 20% of 60 minute is 12. What is? Then we got that words. Which is the answer here? 20. That means 20% of an hour is what? 12 minutes. 20% of an hour is what? 12 minutes. Clear about it? How can you find the answer? Now we'll take the another quantities and take an example and solve the answer. Okay. Okay. Then we got what? 20. That means we can write for the question answer what? We can write for the 20% of an hour or 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour is 12 minutes. 12 minutes we can easily find out. Now we percentage is given and the quantity is not given. Then how can you find the answer? Let's explain it. Okay. Using here. What is question? Question is the quantity is given. That means when quantity, when percentage of it's given. Okay. If what the quantity? You can change the topic also. That another is what is there? If find the number. Find the number. Number is not given. Percentage and quantity given. When percentage, when percentage what? Percentage of its given. Of its given. Question. What is question? Suppose question is given like this words. 20% is 9. 25% is 9. Or we will take it what? 20%. 20%, 25%. Okay, 25% is very easy. No problem. 25% is 9. That means which number? Then what is the quantity? That 20% is what? 9. Then we can let the number is x. Let the when you solve, we don't know the number. Which 20% is 9? We don't know the quantity. Then we can find out the quantity. Then take let the number is x. Let the number is x. Then we can say that x of 25% is 9. So what? X into 25 by 100 equal to 9. X of 25% is 9. Then we can write it what? X into 25 by 100 equal to 9. We don't know that what? 25% equal to 25 by 100 is there. So 25 100 equal to 1 by 4. X by 4 equal to 9. X equal to 9 into 4. X equal to 36. Okay. And what is the number? The number is 36. 36 of 25% is 9. It is correct or not? We can verify equal to RHS. Let 36 of 25 is 9. Then 36 into 25 by 100 equal to 9 is there. Now 100 4 is there. 1 and 4 is there. 1 and 4. 4 9 is 36. 9 equal to 9. Verify. Here how you find it? Yes or no? See, 9 is common, 9 common not. And the number is what? 36. 36 is the numbers. Now we will take another example for 75% is 50. That means we will give another example for this one. 75%. What is 75% is what? So 75% is 15. Is 15. Then we take this question and solution. X is the number. Let the number is x. Let the number is x. Then x of 75% is 15. X into 25 by 100 equal to 15. 25 3 are 25 4. 3x by 4 equal to 15. Okay. 3x equal to 15 into 4 into 15. X equal to 15 into 4 by 3. 3 5 are 15, 5 are 20. Okay. What is the numbers? 20 is the numbers. 20 is the number that 75% is 15. That is correct or not? We will verify also. 20 of 75%. 75%. That means 20 into 75 by what? 100. 4 3 ja and 4 ja. 4 5 ja 20. 5 3 ja 15. 4 ja 15. Here also 15. That means answer is what? Correct. Clear? How can you find the unknown number? Okay. Today we learn first conversion of percentage, finding the unknown number and finding the percentage. How can next class we discuss in next video sessions how can we find the increase percent, decrease percent, all these things. Okay, bye.